Students, next classification of angles. Okay, next we are going to know types of angles. Okay, so angles are classified on the basis of their measure. Okay, measurement. Here first type of angle is, okay, acute angle. Okay, all of you see here, ACUTE, acute angle. Okay, so acute angle means an angle the measure of which is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay, so for example, all of you see here. Okay, I am going to draw an angle. Okay, here this is 1 point and here this is 1 point. Okay, and next here 1 point. Okay, I am going to give, okay, name to these points. Okay, P, Q, R. Okay, so now I am going to join, okay, Q and R point, okay, with extended arrow. Okay, all of you see here, and next I am going to join Q and P points. Okay, all of you see here with extended R. Okay, so here Q is the vertex point or a common end point. Okay, so QR is 1 arm and QP is 1 arm, right? Okay, so here we got an angle PQR. Okay, so all of you see here, PQR is the angle, right? Okay, so here Q is the vertex point, right? Okay, okay, next I am going to measure an angle, okay, using protractor. Okay, first, okay, we need to place the center point of the protractor on vertex point. Okay, all of you see here. Okay, and next, okay, all of you adjust the protractor, okay, in such a way that base line coincides with the arm here, Q and R. Okay, so this is the basal line. Okay, this line is coincides with the arm Q and R. Okay, and next, okay, we need to check the scale where the basal arm points to 0 degree. Okay, here this is 0 degree, right? Okay, so this is basal line. Okay, so the basal line, okay, arm points 0 degree here, right? Okay, and next we need to read an angle. Okay, and next read the measure of the angle PQR. Okay, PQR. Okay, on the other arm. Okay, so here QP is the other arm, right? Okay, here it is 60 degree, right? Okay, all of you see here. Okay, so here PQR, okay, PQR is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so acute angle means here, okay, the angle the measure of which is more than 0 degree, okay, but less than 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree, right? Okay, so this is 0 degree. Okay, so angle which measures more than 0 degree, okay, but less than 90 degree. Okay, here, so all of you see here. So here PQR angle is acute angle. Okay, because, okay, so here angle which is measures more than 0 degree, right? Okay, and less than 90 degree. Okay, so here PQR is 60 degree. Okay, students, next type of an angle is right angle. Okay, so an angle the measure of which is 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay, so right angle should be a perfectly 90 degree only. Okay, so for example, all of you see here, students, I am going to draw one point here and another point here, okay, and another point here, okay. Next I am going to, okay, give name to these points, okay, x, okay, y and z, okay. So now I am going to join these points, okay, xz point with extended arrow, and next xy point with extended arrow, okay. And so students, here angle is y x z, right, okay. So y x z is the angle, okay. X is the vertex point or a common end point, right. And xz and xy are the two sides or two arms of an angle y x z, okay. Next I am going to measure an angle, okay. First place the center point of the protractor, okay, on the vertex x here, okay. And next adjust the protractor, okay, in such a way that the basal line, okay, coincides with the arm x and z, okay. And next, okay, check the scale where the basal arm points to 0 degree, okay. Here basal arm, this is basal arm, right, okay. So here basal arm points to 0 degree, right, okay. And next we need to read the measure of an angle, okay, where the other arm, okay, so x and y arm, okay, crosses the scale here, okay. So it crosses the 90 degree here, okay. So here y x z is equal to 90 degree, okay. So right angle, okay, so it is right angle, right, okay. So an angle the measure of which is 90 degrees called right angle, okay. So y x z is right angle, okay. And next type of an angle is obtuse angle, okay. So an angle the measure of which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle, okay. Students, all of you see here, I am going to draw points, okay, here and here one point, okay. Now I am going to give name to this point, okay, T point and S point and R point. I am going to join these points, okay, with extended arrows, okay. Now here S is the common end point or a vertex point, right, okay. S is the common end point or vertex point, okay. And here R S T is the angle, right, okay. R S T, okay, R S T is the angle, okay. So now we need to measure, okay, this angle, okay. All of you see here, okay. First, okay, place the center of the protractor, okay, center point of the protractor on vertex point, okay. So here S is the vertex point, right, okay. And S is the vertex points and SR and ST is the two arms of the angle R ST, okay. And next adjust the protractor, okay, in such a way basal line, okay, coincide with the R S and T, okay. And next we need to check the scale where the basal line arm points 0 degree, okay. This is basal line and this basal line points here in 0 degree, okay. So next we need to read the measure of an angle, okay, where the other arm, okay, S and R arm crosses the scale. Okay, so here S and R crosses the scale at 140 degree, right? Okay, so here uh, R S T is the 140 degree, right? Okay, so an angle the measure of which is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so this RST is the greater than 90 degree, right? Okay, so this is obtuse angle. Okay, students, in this class we learnt measurement of angle and types of angles, right? Okay, so if you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.